apply to Chaffey College as a dual enrollment student. So the first step will be getting to the application itself. You can go to Chaffey's homepage and scroll down to apply to Chaffey College right here. Mail in right here. We will be sent a security code. From here, we will enter a primary phone number, again, one that is yours and not a parent or school's phone number. We will agree to the terms of use here, and then go ahead and answer this question as well. Next, we will enter our address. Again, make sure it is a personal and permanent address. Then we'll go ahead and select next. If you get a message that shows the suggested address option, go ahead and click yes. Then we will enter our first name and our last name. If you do have a middle name, go ahead and enter that as well. Or a preferred first name, you can enter that here, but if not, you're more than welcome to leave it blank. Going on to the next step will be the date of birth here. So we'll go ahead and enter that. Then we will hit next, and then we will create a password for our CCC account. And then we will confirm it as well. And then we will create our account. From here, we will select Start a New Application for Chaffey College itself. When selecting the term, select the earliest available option, which in this case will be Fall 2024. For our educational goal, we can select Transfer to a four-year institution, but there is other options on there if that's what you are exploring. Next, you can select a major and a program of study as well. We will hit continue from there. When it comes to the social security number option, it is not required, but if you do have one, you are more than welcome to enter it. Next, go ahead and select your parent or guardian's first and last name and the relationship to you. Then we will select that our mailing address is the same as the permanent address on the open CCC account and hit continue. From here, when selecting the college enrollment status, we will be selecting enrolling in high school or lower grade in college at the same time. If you are a graduating 8th grader, please list the high school you will be attending in the fall. Do not leave the high school option blank. Here, we can say that we attended high school and select the state of California while typing out the city that you attended in. Make sure to choose a high school from the drop-down option and do not type the high school in. For the highest grade, you can select whichever one is applicable to you. As far as your GPA goes, it can be an estimated GPA. As far as the English course goes, you may select what option applies to you, as well as the grade that you received. And then we will do the same thing for the highest math course as well. For college education, we will hit no degree. We will need to consent to release information. So here's one, and if we scroll down, we can see another one here to submit our application. And one more here. And then we will hit submit my application. After this, we will get a confirmation message that looks like this, but it's also important to remember that applicants will receive 2 emails, a general welcome email and a dual enrollment program email. Thank you guys so much, and I hope this helps.